Hello everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day today. Guess what, it's another really scorching hot day here in Tokyo. I'm here in Asakusa once again, and today I want to go to this place that I heard that just opened up. I remember earlier this year I was standing on this bridge. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. I was standing on this bridge right here. I was looking towards this side and I saw a whole bunch of people walking across a bridge, and I thought I'd check it out. I heard it's a new complex that connects Asakusa all the way to the Skytree. Sounds kind of interesting, so how about we go for a walk, yeah? So this is where we start. We're starting at this end of the bridge, and you see the view of the Skytree, the Asahi building with the little yellow golden poop on top of the building. We call it the golden poop building. That's supposed to be the foam on top of the beer glass. But anyway, I think that was a fail. At least it makes for an interesting conversation. Alright, so I think we have to go this way. Let's go this way. Yes. So straight ahead, that is Asakusa. So straight ahead, that's Asakusa Kannon Temple, Sensoji. Sorry, I forget that I'm not allowed to edit this video. Alright, so this is a little park here. Very popular during the cherry blossom season. This is Sumida Park, and all these are sakura trees here. There is a gallery down here, which I've never been to before. These are the cherry blossom trees. Okie dokie. So let's take a walk. How was your day today, guys? My body is still trying to get used to this heat. It was a rainy season and not that hot last week, and suddenly it became really hot, just like the weather forecast predicted. Oh boy, I think it's about 35 degrees again today. Look at it. Look. These flowers, these are hydrangeas, and I never knew this, but you know, I think they used to be either white or purple, and now they're kind of green. I guess they turn green over time. I'm not sure, or maybe they're always this color. And you guys can hear the cicadas in the trees. That's a Skytree, and this is Sumida River. Let's walk along the river. Yeah, I want us to walk along the river. And that's a bridge over there. Alright, let's walk. Look at this park, it's nice and empty. Everywhere you go these days here in Tokyo, it's nice and empty. No tourists here. It's good and bad. It's good because there's a lot of space. Bad because I feel really bad for the business. The businesses here that don't make money. Oh boy. I bought myself some decaf iced latte. I need a sip, I'm so hot. Oh boy. I remember last year I had like sort of a heat stroke a couple of times filming, so I have to watch out. To be careful. Look, that is the that's actually one of our transportation system. I believe you can take this boat all the way to Odaiba, going that way. But today we're going this way. We're gonna cross that bridge over there. I see a whole bunch of people. Not a whole bunch. I see a few people walking across the bridge, and that's where we want to go today. Oh boy, the sun is so hot. Just to warn you, you guys are gonna hear me complaining about the sun a lot on this video. I'm sorry in advance. I apologize. It's just really hot. This is a little object here. Looks like a UFO, and I think you can a lot of people, they stick their head through here and take photos like that. Okay, Uber Eats driver taking a rest. That's the bridge that we're gonna go across. I believe this wasn't here before. I don't remember people walking across. Oh goodness. There's not many people around me, so I'm taking off my mask for a while. I hope this guy doesn't mind me walking by. He's trying to take a photo of the bridge. Kind of looking forward to walking across this bridge and see what's there. And I'm curious to see how it connects to the Skytree. My mask is off. There's no one around me right now, so I'm totally social distancing. It's okay to take your mask off if there's no one around you. What have you guys done this week? Let me know in the comments. What were some of your highlights this week? I want to know. You know, as I've mentioned in my my previous video. By the way, this bridge was built in 1930. That's what it says. I had no idea. I actually never came here. Like I never come on this side of Asakusa. Yeah. As I've mentioned in my previous video that coronavirus cases have been going up in Tokyo, well, all over Japan really, but especially Tokyo. Look, this is the Sumida River Walk. So this is brand new. It's open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Ah, I see. Okay, all right, let's do it, guys. And so, because of that, they were asking people outside the prefecture not to come into Tokyo, and also asking people in Tokyo not to leave the city. So that's okay, but that's the reason. That's one reason why it's so empty. So this is the Sumida River with the Skytree, and that is the walk we're gonna go on right now. Okay, here we go. How exciting! I'm super hot and I feel like I'm about to get heat stroke, but still I'm quite excited because this is brand new and I'm kind of looking forward to this experience. Oh boy, look at that. This is a really nice walk when it's not that hot. You can walk along the river. I think one day I'd like to do that, perhaps when it's not so hot. This is kind of nice. Kind of reminds me of well, not really, but like Brooklyn Bridge. You know, walking across Brooklyn Bridge, but on a smaller scale. Sumida River, it's really beautiful here at night. All the bridges light up. If you keep going down, you eventually get to Odaiba, where Rainbow Bridge is. Oh, I like this. This is quite nice. Oh, yeah. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the experience, the new experience, and the cold drink that finally is hydrating me. I'm starting to feel a little better. I drank a lot of water today. I drank a lot of tea as well. I think I had enough fluids. Maybe I need more. Okay, so it looks like this on this side. By the way, if you're wondering, these are train tracks above me, right here. So maybe a train will pass by while we're walking along the bridge. Seems like it's going to be really noisy though. And I believe the train here takes you to Nikko. Here, one more view of the river with all the buildings along the riverbank. Most of them are apartment buildings. And I think this here, right here, We have a whole bunch of these here along the river. This is to prevent tsunamis and stuff and flooding. I believe this shuts, close if it becomes dangerous. I believe so. I think so. Okay, so we're just about at the end of the bridge. I wonder if there's anything else. I thought there was supposed to be shops and stuff. We'll see. Oh, so riding bikes here are not permitted. You have to walk your bikes. That's what it says. There was a sign. So that's good to remember. That's a nice bridge over there as well. I love bridges. I do. They add so much charm to a city. Don't you agree? Okay, so we're at the end of the walk, but I didn't see anything. I didn't see any shops. It was just a walk. I think maybe further down. Maybe further down. Ah, oh, there's a train. Can you see it? Oh yes, okay. So if you go this way, you can walk along the riverbank. But we're gonna go this way. I didn't even know there was a park here. Wow, this is nice. We're gonna wait until the light changes. That's a very old-fashioned bread shop. Ito bread. I wonder if they're still operating. Oh, that's a train that goes to Nikko. It actually looks like a nice park. I should ride a bicycle one day around here and go for a bike ride. By the way, have you guys seen my bike rides on my other channel? I would really travel for food. If you like watching bike rides, check it out. My bike rides seem popular with those who like them, but not especially popular. They're my least popular videos, so I sometimes wonder if it's worth making them, but you know, I enjoy making them, so I think that's the most important thing, huh? Okay, so this is a park here. It's a beautiful park, look. And there are shops underneath the train tracks. You know what? I want to go through the park, and I also want to check out the shops. You know what? Let's go check out the shops first, and then we'll check out the park. I do want to get to Skytree though. Look at this. So this is Tokyo Mizumachi. Mizumachi means water city. So this is brand new. Ah, I see. So we just came across here. That's Asakusa. That's the bridge that we walked across. This is where we are. And then all these are shops leading to the Tokyo Skytree. And these are some of the stores. Some of them are not, they're coming soon. It's so new. It says this one's not available. This one, yeah, there's no store. And this one's also coming soon. Oh, this one too. A lot of them are not operating yet. Anyway, I wonder if we should go this way or this way. Like, should we walk along the river? Whichever is more picturesque. Oh, this is better, I think. Look at this. I like this. Here's the river. Yeah, let's go down here. So this is the Land A Cafe Dining and Smile. So whenever I need a cup of tea and a smile, I'll come here. This is nice. I quite like this. So you have a choice of like riverside and also parkside. Oh, I definitely have to come back here with Satoshi. I would love to sit here and have something to drink here, overlooking this quaint river. This is quite nice. Okay, I feel like maybe I'll go to the other side. Oh, here's another shop on this side. This is a really nice park. I didn't even know it existed. This is also a very nice store. This is one of the shops that's gonna open in fall. It says it's called Jack's Wife Freda. I read that this restaurant, I think it's from America. Yeah, from New York. It says all day New York City bistro. Yeah, so I guess this is their Tokyo branch. Looking forward to checking it out. Oh, this is nice. I see a pond over there. I think this is a restaurant or a cafe. Yeah, I think so. This is a pleasant walk. I really like this. Alright, we're going to continue this walk. However, before we do that, there's a sandwich shop here. Before we continue on that way, let's go check out the pond. I wonder if this is a new park or if it's always been here. It looks quite new or very well maintained. I love parks. You know, one time I think I talked about parks in the city and whether parks are crucial to me personally, or you know, whether parks are important to me. And my answer was yes. Without these parks, it would just be concrete buildings. Oh, this is very nice. I like this. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about parks? Do you think they're important to city life? I definitely think it's very important. I love this. I love this pond. It's so beautifully landscaped. I can't believe like this is in the middle of the city. This is really beautiful. And that's a Skytree right there. Ah, this is so relaxing. Ah, look at that. Family enjoying the pond. Got benches where you can sit and relax. I wonder how far the park goes. Anyway, I don't have much battery, so I feel like we should be heading back. Yeah, but I'll come back. I'll come back and check out the park. Explore the park a little bit more next time. Yeah, definitely I need to keep going because my battery's running out. Ah, this is nice. I love parks, don't you? Oh. By the way, still, there are hardly people around me, so mask is okay. It's really hot. The government is telling people in Japan to be careful of heat stroke because it's very, very hot here. And so they said, you know, if there are no one around you, if you are properly social distance, you don't have to have the mask over your mouth and nose. It's just, you know, if there are people around you, put your mask on. So that's what they're telling people to do. And I'm definitely doing that because it's impossible to keep my mask on like the entire day, especially during the summer. So that's good. That's good advice. And it seems a lot of people forget that they can do that. And we've already had some people have heat stroke, so especially older people. As the train going or coming back from Nikko, I'm not sure. I think going to Nikko. Okay, so I believe there are more shops on the other side if we cross the street. Here's another shop here called Muya. Muya or Muya. That was pleasant. Now, I don't see, I don't see a crosswalk here. I think we have to, what? How do we get to the other side? There are no crosswalks. I wonder if I can get, no, I can't get there by going down here. So how does one get over there? I guess I have to cross the street over there, huh? So, okay, I see that it's so brand new that they are still doing some construction over there. Well, let's cross the street here and get to the other side and explore a little bit more before I run out of battery. If I run out of battery, I apologize in advance if this video ends abruptly, but I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. Okay, I think it's time to put my mask on because I'm waiting at the crosswalk with people. Okay, let's go across. So, you know, right now I'm trying to come up with ideas for the Tabi Eats channel, and it's a little bit depressing because although we're not forced to not film outside, it's a little bit scary. This is a beautiful view of the Skytree right here. Nice shot. It's a little bit scary to go outside when the virus is getting out of control. Okay, I noticed that this area is not open yet. They're still constructing it. I think it's gonna look really beautiful once it's done. Oh, well, I thought there was more to see and show you guys, but I guess we'll keep walking and I'll just keep chatting. Okay, yeah, there's no one here. I can take off my mask. I do feel a lot better. Oh my gosh, you know when we first started the walk, when I first started the video, I actually thought I was going to faint. Like I was starting to get a headache, and usually when I start, you know, getting a heat stroke, it usually starts with a headache. So I take that as a warning, and so I'm happy that my headache is almost gone, which probably means I'm almost better, right? But isn't this crazy times, guys? The COVID situation. Sometimes I think, like, is this really happening? Like, it's hard to believe that this is happening. Sometimes, you know, when I sit back and think about it, I feel like I'm in a nightmare, and I'm gonna wake up one day and realize it was all a dream, a bad dream. But unfortunately, it's real, huh? So look at this Family Mart. I think they've themed it to the water theme here. All right, so this is all under construction. Oh, this little shop is open. Oh, nice. I'm not gonna go in there because I'm a sucker for like those things, and I end up buying something all the time, and they're never that cheap. I found like a whole bunch of like kettles and stuff, and I saw a really nice kettle in there, but I really don't need a kettle. Look, we're getting closer to the Skytree. It's quite deceiving. It's like forced perspective, you know. It seems closer than it actually is. It's actually quite far because it's a very big building. It's the tallest structure in Japan. Yeah, these days I feel like my mood goes up and down. It really does. Some days I feel a lot better. I feel a little better. Like when we were filming in Nihonbashi, I was totally fine because I could focus on work. And I don't know. And then the next week I'm not so fine mentally. You know, I'm depressed again, thinking about the world situation. So, oops, I'm gonna cross. Thank you. But what can you do, right? Try my best to stay safe and keep other people safe. And try my best to focus on small things, you know, trying to focus on staying productive and trying to look for pockets of positivity in my day. Maybe I should learn a new language or something. I'm almost done with my drink. We've made it to the Skytree, guys. Once we get to this main street, this is a block where Skytree is located. Oh, good, they have a bookstore in here. I can visit the bookstore. Oh my goodness. And here's a Skytree. We've made it to the Skytree. Well, I'm gonna end the video because my battery is about to die on me. But really hope you enjoyed this walk. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Let me cross the street. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Take care everybody, stay safe. Bye.